Feature Summary Photoshop Desktop, October 2020 release. Learn about new features and enhancements in the October 2020 release of Photoshop on Desktop, version 22.0. Welcome everyone into my channel Everything PS. With you MD. If this is your first visit to our channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification button. Do not forget to leave your feedback and your suggestions down below in the comments. This will help me to improve the content of our channel. Neural Filters. Neural Filters is a new workspace inside Photoshop with new reimagined filters powered by Adobe Sensei that lets you explore a range of creative ideas. Using simple sliders you can colorize a scene, zoom in on parts of an image, or change someone's expression, age, gaze, or pose in seconds. Use the power of artificial intelligence with neural filters to make amazing edits in Photoshop. To access the new Neural Filters workspace in Photoshop, choose Filters. Neural Filters. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Sky Replacement. The new sky replacement feature in Photoshop lets you quickly select and replace the sky in a photo, automatically adjusting your scenery colors to match the new sky. You can now get the mood you want in your photos, even if the shooting conditions weren't perfect. You can save precious time when you're retouching your landscape, real estate, wedding, or portrait photos. To get more precision, you can also zoom in and select just a section of the sky, or move the sky around to find the right configuration of clouds or the color you want. Choose Edit. Sky Replacement. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Learn more directly in the app. With a brand new in-app Discover panel, you can search and discover new Photoshop tools, hands-on tutorials, articles, and quick actions to help you level up and take on new challenges in Photoshop. The new Discover panel brings an entirely new learn and search experience to Photoshop by combining in-app learn content, step-by-step tutorials, and new powerful search functionality. The new experience is context-aware and gives you recommendations based on your skills and your work. These recommendations include tips and tutorials on how to get multi-step workflows done faster. The new panel also packs in the most used workflows in Photoshop into one-click quick actions, such as removing and blurring the backgrounds. To access the new Discover panel at any time in Photoshop, use Command or Ctrl+F keyboard shortcut. Click the search icon at the upper right of the interface. Choose Help. Photoshop Help from the menu bar. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Enhanced Cloud Documents. Easily manage Photoshop Cloud document versions in-app. With the new version history panel, you can now access your previously saved versions of Photoshop Cloud documents. Open a cloud document and choose, for Windows, File. For Mac OS, Window. Version History. Here, you can preview, mark, and revert to earlier versions as needed. Use Photoshop Cloud documents offline. Are you going off the grid but want to edit on the go? You can now make a recently opened Photoshop Cloud document available offline for editing later when you don't have an internet connection. Go to Cloud Documents. On the home screen, click the three-dot icon on the Cloud document thumbnail and select Make Available Offline. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Pattern Preview. You can now envision in real time how your design will come to life as a pattern. Quickly visualize and create seamlessly repeating patterns with Pattern Preview. The new Pattern Preview mode virtually tiles and repeats your design, so you don't have to wonder how it will look like a pattern. Try the patterns on your fashion designs, bathroom wallpapers, or a wide multitude of projects you can imagine. Simply open your design in Photoshop and choose View. Pattern Preview. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Other enhancements. Live Shapes. You can now dynamically create and edit shapes directly on your canvas with new controls to alter lines, rectangles, triangles, and more. With the major improvements to the shape tools in Photoshop, you'll experience a new tool to create triangles. You can find it under the Shape Tools group in the toolbar. New on-canvas controls have also been added to make resizing and adjusting shapes fast and intuitive. Create a rectangle, triangle, or polygon to see the new on-canvas controls. Easy to adjust shape controls in the Properties panel. Improvements to the Line tool, Polygon tool, and a whole lot more. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Reset Smart Objects. Photoshop now allows you to completely reset a smart object to its original state. The reset action now detects any rotations, transforms, or warps and restores it. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Faster, easier to use plugins. Discover new third-party plugins in the Creative Cloud desktop app that you can install and use immediately in Photoshop. Slack and Trello plugins for communication and collaboration. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Preset Search. Search is now included in the brushes, swatches, gradients, styles, patterns, and shapes panels, so you can spend less time hunting for a specific preset and more time creating. After searching for presets, you may notice the preset folders get expanded and do not automatically collapse. To collapse or expand all preset folders, use Command for Mac OS or Ctrl for Windows and click on the preset folders enclosure arrow. Content-Aware Tracing Tool. Introduced as a technology preview feature in this release of Photoshop, test drive the new Content-Aware Tracing Tool that lets you easily draw a path around an object by simply hovering over the edges and clicking. To begin experimenting with this new tool, first go to Preferences, Technology Previews to enable it. Then, restart Photoshop. You can now find Content-Aware Tracing Tool under the Pen Tools group in your Photoshop's toolbar. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Select and mask enhancements. Easily perfect your selections with these select and mask enhancements. Easily find and refine difficult hair or fur selections with a single click with Refine Hair. Save and load your settings with custom select and mask presets. 2 new edge refinement methods, Color Aware and Object Aware. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Content-Aware Fill Improvements. Access the Content-Aware Fill workspace quicker than ever by right-clicking selections directly on your canvas. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Other features. Japanese text is now supported by the world-ready text layout engine. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. View. Actual size for viewing your document at actual size. With actual size, Photoshop uses hardware information from attached displays to calculate an appropriate zoom factor to display your image at its physical size on the screen. For instance, a 7-inch wide image would appear as 7 inches wide on the screen. Line tool. You can now just use the stroke to govern line tool line thickness instead of previously using weight. Support for new cameras and lenses. The wait is over. Find newly added cameras and lenses in the full list of supported profiles below. For more information, you will find a link in the description box. Here we go, we are done for today. Do not forget to leave your comment down below to help me to improve the content of the channel. See you next time. Goodbye.